So rather that, but that he is responding. So when you know, you move your leg and give your aid, that it goes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So same thing here. So you half hold. Okay. Okay there. You half hold and you think of a hold, but you're getting it. So you're a little too careful there. Careful there. You're not sitting enough to it. That all right. Yeah, he came a little bit up, but the response of your leg was much better. Think of hold and release quicker. So that you actually know, so that you know how far you have to go in order to get through there. If you're always careful and it always trots through, then you gotta add a little bit and go the other way. That you get it, you think of a hold, but you don't allow it to stop. Okay, okay, better. So soft, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.